Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And of course, for those of you who are new, welcome. My name's Stephanie. You guys, it's Macy's beauty box for the month of July has arrived. Apologies, I'm uploading some videos. You guys, I'm behind on making videos, so I'm kind of making a lot of videos, doing a lot of editing, uploading. I gotta have the computer on, so apologies. But we got July's Macy's here. Here it is. The whole box just kind of pops apart. One item fell out. As always, you do get a coupon code. So let's take a look at that. Wow. Okay, so last month for June, which I produced that video pretty late because, as you guys know, I was on vacation. They gave me a $10 off coupon last month. You guys, it's only $5 off this month. What the heck? I thought you were pretty much always given $10 off. Maybe I'm wrong. This is only my second month getting this box. But, so yeah, my $10 off coupon is good through kind of the end of August. And now my $5 off coupon is good through close to the end of September. So that's nice. They're both valid in store or online and one-time uses only. So that's nice. Okay, so we did lose an item, but this is how it comes. It's trying to come out again. First item. The QR code too, you guys, is basically to tell you about what's in your bag or your box. So first item here is Bumble and Bumble, which is hair. It is their B6 Hairdressers Invisible Oil Heat UV Protecting Primer. Ooh, that's nice. It's 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. So it's in a spray. Little squirty spray bottle. That's what it kind of looks like. You know, white background, and of course it's, just some orange light text, but it's not too terrible to read except for the really, really fine print. So you spray on damp or dry hair, comb through and style. So that's nice. It's always good if you use a lot of heat tools to use a heat protectant. All right, we're gonna get into the rest since that just kept falling out. Oh, we have a Tony Moly sheet mask. It is the I'm Aloe, so if you are allergic to aloe vera, I'm sorry, this would not work for you, but you guys know I love Tony Moly sheet masks. If I can find packets of these at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, I will grab them. Usually you can get a 10-pack for like $10, but I think these sell for like $5, usually just standalone by themselves. So that's nice. I will definitely use that. I love Tony Moly sheet masks. Oh, we have a bag this month. Get Your Glow On. It is a cute little mesh makeup bag, pink and green. Kind of looks a little watermelon-y. That's cute. We've got, what's this next thing here? Elizabeth Arden, Pravage, City Smart, DNA Enzyme Complex, Anti-Pollution Antioxidants with Sunscreen. Okay, let's see what they have to say. This is what it looks like. That would be what the normal version would look like. Says, this sheer oil-free multi-active skin defender delivers advanced protection against today's environmental aggressors, including pollution and free radicals, keep the skin looking younger and brighter. Clinically dermatologist and allergy tested, paraben-free, non-comedogenic, safe for sensitive skin, universal tint for all skin types. Ooh, so it's tinted. To use, you apply evenly to your neck and face as the last step in your skincare regimen. So it kind of makes it sound like it's an SPF. Let's see here. It's an itty bitty, just like Ipsy's, a little glam bag. Yeah, it just says with sunscreen, so that's nice. It's got sunscreen in. Honestly, need to be cranking on those sunscreens. Okay, then we've got Buxom Plump Shot Collagen Infused Lip Serum. Oh, we got another lip product. I'm getting a lot of lip products. This is Jeffree Star, by the way. It says, we pumped up the plump, our most advanced lip plumping technology. So this is a lip plumper from Buxom. Here's the front. It says, sample, not for resale. Isn't that what this box is reselling? That's my opinion. I'm just asking a question. Okay, then we've got MAC Fragrance Blend. Oh, we've got a MAC fragrance. Okay, this box seems pretty light on stuff. Okay, so here's the front. It's called Turquatic. Okay. See if they explain the notes. Crisp and energizing. This sea-inspired signature MAC scent features notes of anemone, lotus, orris, and Coruscant blue cedar. I'm not sure I'm going to like this. What can I put it on? Hello. I need something to spray it on. I really don't want to spray it on myself. Oh, but you guys, I have a mess on my desk from unboxing videos. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and put it on a sheet of paper. We'll get a little Post-it note. I am not thinking I'm going to like this at all, but we're going to find out really quick. Come on. Okay. If it'll come out. It's supposed to be a squirty. Come on. Well, it's not going to help if the sprayer doesn't spray. It's not spraying. Can I just say it sucks because the sprayer won't spray? It's full. It's going up and down. I can't smell anything and the sprayer won't spray. I guess we're going to have to try to undo it. Oh, God. I don't want to try to undo it. I don't want to end up wearing it. I'm going to keep trying, but as it is, if I can't get it to even squirt, we're just going to throw it away and say that's a... Oh, here we go. Okay. It sprayed. Not my thing. I didn't think it was going to be my notes. I don't like it. It's very fresh scent, but I don't like it at all. So that's fine. We'll just put that somewhere else. MAC. Okay, so then the last is Sun Balm Daily Sunscreen Moisturizer. It is an SPF 30, which honestly is not really enough to be wearing. You need to be up above the 40s. I mean, it's a start. It is half an ounce. Let's see. This is definitely a chemical sunscreen. It's got avobenzone, homosalate, octocrylane, octinoxate. Okay, so those are all the active ingredients, sunscreen ingredients. I mean, this is great. I'll just throw this in like my birding bag and it'll be a nice, like, if I forget sunscreen or want to reapply, I can just slather that on. It'll be like a 1 or 2 and done. So honestly, not a lot, guys. We got this little bag. We've got that stinky perfume, which I'm not going to grab again. The Buxom Lip Plumper. The Sun Balm. The Elizabeth Arden Privage City Smart DNA Enzyme Complex. This Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. It's like a primer. It's a heat protectant. And then I think the best thing in the bag is a Tony Moly sheet mask. So $15. Is it worth it? What do you guys think? You know, I would compare it to MACY'S glam bag. Their base level glam bags, what, $13, $14? This is $15. I think the box is ridiculous. It's too big. It's wasteful. That's wasteful to have such a large box and just a small amount of stuff in it. I think they could really honestly do what MACY does, and is put this in a padded mailer, save money on shipping, save the environment as far as all the boxing that they use and all the packing material. But you know, it is what it is. It's MACY'S, so it's supposed to be kind of high end. But this is only my second month, guys. I'm going to let this run probably for a few months just to see what I think before I make a final decision whether to keep it or chuck it. But let me know what you think. Again, I don't have a lot to go on other than watching other people's unboxings over the last few years. There's a bag in it this month, a makeup bag. But other than that, I don't know. I honestly compared to MACY, and it's okay. So let me know in the comments, you guys, what you think. And if you're new here, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button on your way out. Join my YouTube family. Check out my other videos. I got a lot coming, guys. So this one is going in the queue. You will see it soon. Probably not as quickly as I would like, but I don't want to put out too many videos in a day. So I appreciate your patience, guys, and I hope you're having a good one. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.